When you're moving large sums of money, the risks are greater. It can be harder to spot scams when they target a template or bulk list, so having 2 pairs of eyes on these is especially valuable. Switching dual controls on for templates and bulk lists can help reduce the risk of inputting errors as well as enhancing your security. With this setting on, when a template or bulk list is created or changed, a second user will have to approve it. To switch this setting on, click Admin, then Payment Preferences. Next, select Manage your payment preferences. Click Yes for templates dual controlled and Yes for bulk lists dual controlled. Click Confirm, then Update to save your changes. Then approve it with your smart card.